As UAVs become increasingly widespread today, are you facing a shortage of certified pilots, high training costs, and the risk of crashes? Many simulators on the market are game-like. They fail to reflect real flight conditions. Some cannot support advanced development needs, leaving a gap between simulation and real flight, which greatly reduces training effectiveness. And for UAV developers, are you struggling with aerospace expertise requirements and the steep learning curve of coding, while lacking a platform to safely test and innovate? PilotSky understands your pain points. That's why we launched the UAV Flight Simulation Training System. We make simulators closer to reality. The key lies in 4 core technologies. 1 real flight control logic, developed by aerospace, electrical, and physics experts. We fully integrate real flight control logic and physics models, accurately replicating UAV flight behavior and response. 2 custom UAVs and training scenarios. We provide customized UAV models and scenarios tailored for different training requirements, supporting teaching, drills, and R&D testing. 3 physical controllers and VR interface. Supports UAV controllers and VR devices. Delivers the same handling as real UAVs. Creates seamless digital to physical training. 4 AI integration and one-click deployment. Supports mission modules and API integration. Enables AI training and automated mission design. Our system uniquely bridges real flight control with AI training applications on one platform. In addition, our high-fidelity flight control system supports UAV parameter tuning and integration with external modules for training. Accurately simulates a virtual IMU inertial measurement unit, providing attitude, angular velocity, and acceleration data. Sensor noise simulation system generates sensor data with noise and error. Virtual barometer and GPS modules. Return altitude and location information, supporting GCS mission simulations. Precise PWM ISPI control signals. Control the output speed of virtual motors, along with virtual motor modules. Aerodynamic calculation module. Virtual propeller module. Generate lift, thrust, and aerodynamic effects. Not only realistic operation, but also authentic mission environments. Powered by PilotSky's OView map server GIS engine and the Imavlink communication protocol, real terrain and map data can be fully imported into the system. It can also connect to ground control stations GCS, including Q Ground Control, Mission Planner, and other platforms, greatly enhancing mission training realism. We also support environmental wind field simulation, as well as real-time integration of weather and terrain changes. Our simulator trains not only people, it is also a professional AI training and development platform. It solves the complexity of flight control in traditional AI development and the high costs involved, allowing you to focus on algorithm innovation. The system supports custom AI model training through Python, C++ scripts, and reinforcement learning frameworks. It reduces training costs in a zero-risk environment, accelerating model optimization and data accumulation. For AI researcher, we provide a simple SDK and AI flight control board. No need to master motor, IMU, or hardware details. Just issue high-level commands like fly forward 5 eta or turn 90 degree. To precisely control the UAV, the system supports diverse sensor simulations and enables multi-UAV collaborative simulations. It also offers time acceleration functions to rapidly generate training data. Developed programs can be deployed with one click quickly onto real AI flight control boards, achieving seamless transition from simulation to real flight. From the development version for R&D validation to the runtime version for real-world flight, this shared hardware solution for development and deployment not only reduces costs and equipment switching time, but also speeds up innovation with high scalability. PilotSky UAV Flight Simulation Training System is your best choice for safe and efficient flight, whether for personal training or enterprise education, or for cutting-edge AI research and development. You will find the most realistic and professional solutions here. Say goodbye to crash anxiety. Let safe flights begin with simulation.